Since don dey be as if say for dis country now, na to dey force us to dey do some things now for dis country. In case you never hear, the federal government dey don dey threa ten Nigerians wey be say if you get big head, you get coconut head, you talk say you no go collect vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine. You talk say dem go dey sanction you now, dem go dey sanction you if you no get COVID-19 vaccines, you are in trouble in this country. Na federal government na im talk am. Im don talk say na compulsory, na by fire by force you must to collect COVID-19 vaccines for this country. Im talk say anybody wey no collect am, there's some things wey be say e no go benefit. You know say one governor like that, im talk say for im own state, anybody wey no collect vaccine, im talk say im go ban the person from any social gathering. Im talk say anybody wey no collect vaccine, im no go collect treatment for hospital. Now they wan dey enforce COVID on us, but the palliative wey be say e suppose share to us, dem loot am, dem chop am alone. Na after COVID, people come dey discover some palliative. They come dey give us excuse say they wait for third wave. So they use hunger kill us for that COVID time. Then they distribute one indomie, one noodles. They distribute am. Then they distribute 2 cup of rice for people to survive for 3 months. They no enforce food on us then. They no talk say make everybody come out by fire force to come and collect food. But now we say e don reach the turn of vaccine now. E don dey force us now. They talk say dem go dey sanction us to collect vaccines. Imagine that kind thing. We dey hungry for this country. The only thing wey be say you fit enforce on us na vaccine, na injection. I no talk say make you no collect am o, but why must you enforce it on us? Because talk say you go dey threa ten us. I think say we have freedom for this country. If I like, I fit collect am. If I no like, I no fit collect am. Just like this medical treatment stuff. Medical treatment, if you like collect medical, you go for medical checkup. If you like, you no go for medical checkup. Why must you enforce it on us? Why must you enforce it on us? When palliative dey, you do enforce it on us. Now you and your family, you keep am for your house, you keep everything, you get. Now the thing wey come funny be say some palliative wey be say dem lose, some still dey rot ten, some dey rot ten. Why we citizens dey hungry? People dey hungry. Some palliative wey be say dem lose, the thing dey rot ten for the warehouse wey dey keep am. They come dey give one more excuse for this country. Imagine that kind of thing. You come dey talk say anybody wey no collect vaccines, you go dey you say there is punishment for them under law. I never hear that kind of thing before. Imagine wetin dey happen now for this country now. You dey enforce it on us. The thing wey be say you suppose enforce, you no enforce am. The thing wey be say the issue of insecurity in dey all over the country, that one no concern you. You never talk for once say about the killings wey dey happen. You no talk am. That one no concern you. Na person wey chop, na him dey collect vaccine. E be like say this government no know that. Na person wey chop belle full. Have you ever seen a doctor giving and wey be say he go give patient wey never chop food? Now we never chop food this thing before. People dey hungry for this country. You no enforce food on us. You no give us food. You come dey talk say make everybody dey collect injection of partner, say by fire by force you must collect injection for this country. Say we dey so everybody now don dey yarn say if you like enforce anything, we no go collect japa anything for this country. Anything, nada, we no collect palliative. You loot am. So so this vaccine also you must to loot am. And wetin people dey talk be that people talk say you must to loot this vaccine the same way you loot the palliative. We be say you loot for this country. Abeg. The next topic we be say I wan talk about that one funny. Na for Cross River this thing happen. You see for this country our politicians, e don turn us to fool for this country. E don turn us to mumu. They know say we no go complain. Yes, na some farmers from Cross River that thing happen. One chairman like that, he wan empower farmers. He no see anything to empower them. He no see money to empower them. He no see better tractor to empower them with. He no see better. You know, when they all these machines wey be say farmers dey always use to make work easier. He no see better fertilizer to empower farmer with. Make I shock you. He come dey empower farmers with one yam, one tuber of yam. I mean one single yam. I mean one yam. Wey be say he come dey empower farmer with one yam each, one cutlass and one hoe. Na him dey empower cutlass use. So and those more farmers too dey laugh. They no reject am. How come tell me how will one yam solve your poverty? The yam wey be say if you plant am, you never sure say the thing go grow. Never sure. Now if you wan collect am now, the thing no come grow. Wetin go be your benefit now? So the empowerment now. So very simple. Because say we empower you, no gain. Woo! Sure. He go empower you with one year, and those mumu people still stand for picture. They stand for picture, they laugh, they smile, they come put for this country. Our leader don finish us. Last year, one mumu wife governor, he dey empower youth, he dey empower people with bag of pure water, one bag of wetin dey do us for this country. How will you empower? You go talk say you wan empower women, no? With what? With bag of pure water. You go dey give them bag of pure water, bag of no. Come tell me how will bag of pure water solve poverty, solve hungry for this country? We say we dey. One person also, one governor also, he come empower youth with catapult, say make dem go face this. The way our leaders dey always dey think, I no know the way they think. Maybe na because say we youth for this country, we know they reject that kind of thing. That's why they continue to do am. One governor that he empower youth with wheelbarrow. I don't know, maybe they think say make all the youths they try to do what they call am kabu. Make everybody they push, they carry load for market. One governor he empower youth with rope. And that one works. And he won't work pass. Empower youth with rope. So in case if life tire you, you just tie the rope up, just hang yourself and die. Now your own empowerment, now you be that. Now this one can shock me pass. You empower farmer with one tuber of yam, with cutlass and hoe for what? Now what thing you dey chop be that? Now your salary. So the only thing, so now election not dey come now. Election should come now. So God, for this country, our mumu no go do. No be say never do, e no go do, because na the time wey be say you sabi speak up. And the time wey be say you sabi speak up, that time amu go do. Those farmers now they go dey happy say they say one year council, 1 year chairman, he empower them with cutlass. How much na cutlass? How much na hoe? How much na one tuber of yam? No be Abuja yam sef. Now this local yam wey be say the thing fit rot ten. There's some yam wey be say if you plant am, e no go grow. Maybe that kind of yam in give them, still make they go grow. Maybe they don't go plant. Some farmers they don't get fertilizer for this thing. Some farmers, so on top one tuber of, I know say some farmers when they give one tuber of yam, then will go chop am for house because hunger dey. I'm very sure say 70% of them go chop the yam. You know go plant am. I dey tell you seriously. They go chop am. Hunger dey Nigeria. You call dey empower person with one yam. If na me big farm, I go chop am. Me wey be say I never see yam chop since. You can't give me yam, make I go plant for what? I go chop am. Empower farmer with yam. Abeg, make I move on to another headline. This headline wey be say dey there, na federal government come dey beg youth now. Federal government talk say part of the plan wey be say he make for the country, wey be say he make for the country, say say you know say when I want to firstly join, I mean when you want to vote for me, I talk say I go make sure say I create job opportunity for the youth. He come talk say now I don't fulfill my promise now. Because say okay. He talk say he want create 20,000 solid job for the youth. Federal government call it laughs as we say him do something better. Federal government, you want create 20,000 job for the youth. The thing wey come shock me be say the job get age limit. If you don't reach 30 years, you no fit apply for the job. So which means say if you reach 30 and you never get job, so this job is not for you. So federal government come dey beg the youth, say make the youth go apply for the job. Im dey beg them. So he come talk one thing, say in fact this job he go pay them more than NYSC Alawi. How much? Abeg, how much na NYSC Alawi? 33,000. So which means say federal government go pay 35k at most, 35k, and na him they go pay for the job, and the job na 1 year. So for their mind like that, any job wey say you do 35k for 1 year, they don't solve your problem, they don't solve your poverty. Abeg, more tell me, how much is 35k in a year, in per month? Wetin 35k fit do for person per month? That one make you put am aside. You come talk say you wan create 20,000 jobs. Out of how many millions of youths wey dey graduate every year? Graduates dey come out now. No, for my school alone, only God knows how many graduates don sign up now. Because of say you wan create 20,000 jobs for who go apply for it? 20,000 jobs for a year. Your own pikin, all our leaders, their own pikin, they no dey do all this kind of job. You go see them get better job, pilots. You go see them dey fight. You see them, they go dey this thing, oil company, NNPC, Dangote company, and then they go dey. But when we say we dey under sun, they vote for them. They go dey give us many a job, 20,000 a job. The empower wey the federal government sef do before, where that one dey now? Those people, those last sets, don scrap them. They no finish their 2 years. They even owe them salary. This year, empower also now, because of election now, they want start am again now. Wetin be the fate of those empower people? So federal government cannot give our youth a permanent job for this country. We no get permanent job for this country. Even or federal na the time wey be say the federal government don shock me pass. Now when our president talk say there is no job for the youths in this country, at that time I know say Nigeria say for this country we don finish. Youth for this country don't finish. How will a whole federal government talk say no job for the youth in this country? Why we can't vote for you? Now Nigeria now come become the third country, the third worst country where we say their youth they unemployed. Now no can't imagine what they happen, and we go and some mumu people go see the staff for go the staff go collect 1,000 naira for election day. Then go they snatch buses, snatch election buses. Then go they go they kill themselves for one politician over 10k or over 5,000 naira. They go they sell their rights. They go they sell their voices. Imagine this kind of hunger where they kill everybody. Imagine this kind of thing where they kill. This Nigeria, this country every day. Now until we sabi speak up, imagine 20,000 jobs, and they think say they don't do something. 20,000 jobs for this country. Where we say we get millions of unemployed youths. We get millions of graduates for this country. Some youths, some graduates, they ride bike. Some graduates, some PhD holder, they ride bike. They ride motorcycle around. All our leader pikin, they don't get a job. God, Nigeria, no problem. Make I move on to another headline. The headline I want to talk about now. Now about our federal government again. My news for today. Now about them. They talk say they don't disburse 57 billion naira to 1 million Nigerians so far. For this country, where we say we there, we could use lie kill ourselves. If our leader die today, we take kill them alive. Nigerian politicians are alive like this. They did like this. In talk say it don't disburse, it don't give Nigerians like almost 1 million Nigerians 57 billion naira. Who then give? We don't know. Who then give? Don't know. I mean, nobody knows anybody who then give. I read the column. I mean, no one knows anyone who say those people don't give those money, because For me, I never see any money. They talk say now some business people say they get CAC. You know this CAC now we say you go register. Talk say now them they give survivor fund. So we talk say the money is so foul. You say they don't disburse to people. Now 57 billion naira. So me I never see the money. Me I never see money. But like say some people see the money, some people don't see the money. I don't know. But for me, I don't see the money. Talk say that 1 million Nigerians they don't give. So we need the only thing we say we say the federal government will do for us and to bring out those people who say they don't give for this country. So you know say with the way things they be for this country, no matter what our federal government talk, we don't ever believe they give for this country because they don't say lie, give us. They don't say lie. Many lies give us. Part of the lie say they give us, you say they will give youth, unemployed youth 5,000 every month. If you enter, now here we did now 1K we don't see. 1K we don't see. So say now this one we don't believe say in this boss this thing. This out of many things now. Next thing we want to talk about now this ASUU strike. ASUU strike where they happen. Now for this government now, the only God knows how many times ASUU don't strike. ASUU, they don't turn their strike. Now their strike don't become thunder strike now. Thunder strike. Since when ASUU don't strike, the federal government never see their own thing at all. He never see their own thing. In fact, doctors they on strike. Since and federal government don't see their own thing. Now ASUU federal government go not say now ASUU federal government go not see their own thing. Now they come make Amechi come talk say the only thing say they will do to rescue the hopeless youth for this country, because they don't say this country now our youth now they don't they hopeless now hopeless. How will school strike? School gonna become striking position now. Going to strike every 3 months for this country. 3 months school 3 months. Person no fit plan in life again for this country. If you plan say you go finish school for 4 years, now lie, now 6 years you go use. Anything you want plan, if you be student, always try to add ASUU strike to it. Anything you want plan, anything you want plan for your life, try to add ASUU strike to anything you want plan for your life. Yes, try to add that. So I'm going to talk say the only thing say that if you do for this country now to help the students now to embark on what they call PT strike. As you embark on sympathy strike. And I never hear that kind of I don't know if we get different kind of strike. I'm going to talk say we get make they want embark on sympathy strike where we say all workers for this country then go they on strike until the federal government in hear the cry of ASUU. That's when they then go resume. I need to say we may no be we will. So for back, federal government we go bribe them for back. If you know embark on the strike again. I don't know what they happen. Out of the millions, we say the billions we say we they make for this country. We they spend money every day, we they borrow money every day. What we can use and do? God, education not become rubbish for this country. Education become rubbish for this country. The last news I want to talk about now about the issue of insecurity. We don't become rampant. We be say that now don't they tire everybody now. Plateau Jos. You know, just some weeks ago, over 40 people die. Then die. Now again, they attack that city again. Imagine that kind of thing. They attack them again, and the federal government no say anything to do on it. Imagine. They do that. They cry on top those we say they do mass burial for Plateau. They kill farmers again. They kill farmers again, and when we come capture those people, we go call them the better Boko Haram. Imagine this Nigeria don't tire me. I dey tell you, Nigeria ain't don't tire me. A better Boko Haram. Imagine that kind of thing. Plateau now is on fire now. Nowhere they say, and those people for Plateau, they don't even talk anything. They don't even shout. They don't protest. They know Killings now don become now don dey spread small small all over the state now, over this country don dey spread, and the federal government dey think say im dey win war against insurgency. Dem dey win war for their mind, dem dey win war while people dey die. Dem dey win war unto say those people dey surrender. After they kill finish, they go surrender. So those people who say don't die, their own don finish. No problem. My name na MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.